the Spotlight Charity Foundation that wants to make a difference in our community and all the other members in need. So far, we've done charity sales for the Beijing Tianyu Rehabilitation Center, and we've organized fundraising parties to help raise funds for the orphanages in Zhejiang Province. Today we're going to ask for your help in donating clothes.
So many people in our community have great clothes that they no longer want to wear, and we think that it is an excellent opportunity for them to donate some clothes to people who don't have anything at all. The old sweater that you no longer wear can help someone who has nothing. Donating old clothes will help others in need and gives you more space in your life for new things.
In this activity, FSF is working with APM, Auckland, Maine, a group of volunteers set up in Shanghai in 1999 to meet and help those in most need. We are working together to make the lives of unprivileged children better and better. It doesn't necessarily take a big donation to help someone, but lots of little donations still can. With the help of APM and, more importantly, you, we can improve the lives of hundreds of people.
We are going to be collecting any spare clothes from now all the way to November 1st. A box will be placed at the library entrance, and we are hoping that all the families in HIS can participate in donating clothes that they no longer need. Our collaboration with APM will help us distribute your donated clothes across China to all the people in need of them.
Remember, just a few pieces of spare clothing that you no longer need can help change somebody's life. Let's recall the inspiring words of the US President, Theodore Roosevelt. Let's turn from spectators into participants. We have too much to do to sit on the sidelines, so let's step out of the grey twilight into the bright sunshine, so that the people in need can see the dawn of a new day. Thank you for listening.